Hi friends, welcome to my whole new channel Sharmilian. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe called dal khichdi, but instead of rice I'm going to use broken wheat, also known as wheat dalia. So it's a simple and delicious recipe. Let's quickly get into the cooking. Let's quickly see the ingredients. I have 2 tablespoons of moong dal, almost like 2 cups of wheat dalia, a small cup of frozen peas. You can take this as an optional if you don't like it. And I have taken 1 tablespoon of mixed tur dal. I have taken an orange variety as well as the usual yellow tur dal. Orange always has a taste for the food. So I have mixed both and added as 1 tablespoon. And I have taken 1 spoon of mustard seeds and jeera, salt to taste, a pinch of turmeric, 1 large size onion chopped, 1 medium size tomato chopped, 3 to 4 chilies sliced, a bunch of fresh curry leaves, and a pinch of hinge. So let's quickly get into the cooking. I have taken a cooker. This is a 1-pot cooking recipe. So I have taken my cooker and I have added 1 tablespoon of blended oil. So you can also use usual sunflower oil based on your choice. So I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. With that, I'm gonna roast the mixture of dal. So you can see I have already kept the moong dal and the tur dal mixture finely washed. I'm gonna add this inside the cooker. So we are going to slightly roast this dal mixture. Now you can see I have added tomatoes, finely chopped onion, sliced green chilies and curry leaves along with the dal and roasting it in the oil. You can get a fine aroma of the dal, onion and tomatoes blending together and frying. At this point, I'm also adding the frozen green peas. A pinch of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, and I'm gonna finely fry this mixture. Now I'm gonna add the wheat dalia. So I have already washed and kept this wheat dalia aside. So you can see now I have added the wheat dalia. Now we're gonna finally mix it well. So the ratio of adding water here is like for almost like 200 grams of dalia, you're going to add 2 cups of water or 2 glasses of water. Now, as I said, I'm going to add 2 glasses of water in the cooker. So you can see I have added 2 glasses of water in the cooker and I'm gonna pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Meanwhile, when the cooker cooks the khichdi, I have added a spoon of oil and a spoon of ghee in a kadai. And I'm gonna melt and heat them. As I told, I'm gonna add the hing. So the little flavor will add the aroma. A little bit is more than enough. And I'm adding all the jeera and mustard seeds. And I'm gonna saute them less than a minute. You can see the jeera and mustard seeds are popping out. Now the khichdi has been well cooked. I'm gonna open it and show. So this is the texture. You can see the dal is well blended and the dalia is well cooked. So as you see, I have already kept this fried and sauteed mustard and jeera seeds in ghee and oil with a pinch of hing. So I'm adding that mixture for you in the cooker. So I'm gonna stir it well. And finally, to add the extra punch of flavor, I'm going to add the freshly added chopped coriander leaves. I'm going to add this. So I'm going to stir it again. So if you are a bit health conscious, you can avoid the ghee and instead you can add even coconut oil for the rich flavor. But still, as I said, you can give this for your kids or elders at home. So I feel like kids will always love something with ghee. So I have added a spoon of ghee for the extra flavor. So if you wanted to avoid ghee, if you're a vegan, you can add an alternative of coconut oil instead of ghee to add the extra richness. So now I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. So you can see the hot dal khichdi is all set to eat. The dal is well blended with the dalia, and the dalia is not as smooth like a porridge. So we have kept it in a well eatable consistency. So that's it. With dalia, dal khichdi is all set to eat. Please try this recipe at home. Let me know what do you feel about this recipe. Please share in your comments in the comment section below. For more such videos, please subscribe and like my channel, and please press the bell icon for more notification. Thank you.